and a warm welcome to one and all. And for those of you who have not seen me before, my name is Langers, and I am the overgrown child that is the Scruffy trader. No shock when you see my dress sense. But I might be a child, but I also trade for a living, and I prove it day after day, even though many people stick it into me and insult me. Hey,
you ding dong!
And because of that, the Scruffy squad was formed, because there's no way I'm going to help this sort of person. But I also feel duty bound to help the squad and some good guys who do follow me, because there are a lot of good guys. So what I'm doing is I'm going to put together what I call foundation trading, and it'll be a series of small videos that'll be placed into the Discord group of the Scruffy squad. Now, some of them will be public, some of them will just be for the squad, but there'll be enough within the series to get you either a taste of trading or get you a little bit further down the road. And the idea is just to support the people that have supported me. Now, why listen to me? Why at all? Well, if I flick this across, you'll kind of see this is a prop fund. It's third party, cannot be manipulated. I traded this live in front of everybody, and it successfully passed, and it now pays me reasonably well. I have a number of accounts with the 5%ers. A number of accounts with the 5%ers, because I do training for them as well, and they've seen my records over the last however many years, and they wanted me to trade in-house for them, so I do that. I also trade this one for myself, which is one of the couple that you'll see. I'll do reviews of these at the end of the month. There's two that I run, but it gives you an idea of what can be done with very little. In fact, there's the equity curve, and this one's currently, we're halfway through the month, and it's paying me 500, so it's another 1,000, and I've got another account that's doing very similar. Now, at the moment, what I'm going to show you in the foundations is how to lay out your MT5 if you use MT5 Platforms, little hints and tricks as to how to use it, how to lay it out so that it's very easy to navigate. See, I have mine all laid out in such a way I can analyze any pair at any time. At the moment, this is live and it's currently running in profit. As you can see, that is moving. I'll show you. Let's have a look. I'll just flip back to that pound. You'll see that I have stacked orders. The reason behind the stacked orders is it generates more profit, gets you out of trouble. There'll be parts of it will do this. We have our Discord. Obviously, I talk constantly within this, whether it be the levels as you're kind of looking at here, seeing when it's getting ready to go. We work out how MT5 works amongst ourselves, but more importantly, you can have a good time in here. We'll have a bit of a sing-song, take the mickey out of each other, so it's not always intense. And that's a big thing. If it's intense, you'll make mistakes because you concentrate too hard. You need a little bit of relaxation, and that's where that comes into it. But the meat and bones is here. All of this, where you go into Scruffy madness. You'll go into the river and how it works. You'll go into GoldenEye, how GoldenEye works. Numerous different strategies that you can trade ideas, all of this. And then in here, which is the newest of the new, it'll build up into a library of reference points. So that's kind of the inspiration behind all of this. And of course, you have my trades to follow as well. So why am I doing it? Because I genuinely want to give something back. I genuinely do. It's coming up to the birthday of the channel. Believe it or not, it is 2 years old in a week or so's time, and I thought, why not? I never thought it would grow the way it has grown. And because of that, I am genuinely pleased. It's kind of gone from being a hobby into a passion. And that's why you see me on the screen a lot. I trade every day. I show you what trades I do every day. And I try and give you little hints and tips in my strange way. There is a caveat. I'll never be a signal service. I am asked all the time to be a signal. No. And if you go through some of the videos, you'll see companies offer to pay me some colossal amounts of money to give them signals. I don't need the money. So I always turn them down. Why? I don't believe in it. I think it's immoral. You have to take ownership of your own trade. If you're looking just for signals, put your money in a good high interest yield bank account and you'll do just as fine. Signals are fool's gold. What I want to do is show you how to work the charts, understand the charts, but more importantly, profit from the charts in a sensible, controlled manner. So this is just an introduction. It's kind of Foundation Friday as its nickname. In other words, I'll be putting into practice on a Friday morning what I show. So if you want to see how a MACD works, I will trade a MACD for you. If you want to see how the push works, I'll trade the push in front of you. But also break down its components as to why it's being traded in the first place. And I can't be any fairer than that, guys. So if you want to come along to the journey, subscribe to the channel, click the like, and we'll find our way together. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all on the next one.